Have you ever wondered when the luxury of world-class amenities meet the Indian hospitality and care despite of being in the middle of the ocean? Well, Cordelia Cruises might be the answer. Watch the video till the end for you to know how Cordelia Cruises is a perfect staycation for you.
The Empress by Cordelia Cruises is an iconic grandeur vessel that first set sail in the year 1990 with the name the Nordic Empress. The ship was initially ordered by Admiral Cruises and later incorporated into Royal Caribbean Fleet. After sailing the Bahamas and the Caribbean, now the Empress will be cruising the west and the east coast of India under Indian cruise liner Cordelia Cruises. What's to explore? From groovy nightclubs where you can dance the night away to casinos brimming with opportunities to get lucky, to sprawling amphitheaters where you can witness spectacular performances, the choice of entertainment are ample on board Empress. You might wonder what's in for kids. Don't get worried about the kids getting bored, as Empress has designated special zones for kids and teenagers where they can enjoy a range of fun activities and can also mix and mingle with others of their age. There's always something exciting to do for every age group. Take your taste buds on a South Asian tour with in-house Oriental restaurants featuring delicacies from Japan to Thailand. Or experience a lavish meal curated by our talented in-house chefs. Or if you are looking for something quick, substantial and satisfying, choose from a number of food plazas that offer the best of the tandoors, pizzas, pastas, grills and even mouth-watering Indian street food. The culinary staff can design gourmet menus to suit every taste. Also, ship's gorgeous dining venues can be a sight for an unforgettable experience. Starting from interior stateroom cabins which are designed to make your stay comfortable, to ocean view staterooms with all the essential amenities to help you relax and make your stay memorable, to cabin with balcony to witness the beautiful sunrise and sunsets, the suites which come with special butler service, and the ultra luxurious state-of-the-art chairman's suite which comes with a private butler service, in-room dining and access to the exclusive chef's table for dining. Overall, there are 796 cabins with a capacity of 1800 guests, spacious with 692 feet length, 11 decks, which has food pavilion, fine dine restaurant, spa and fitness center, casinos and adventure activities and lots more, as it's just not a cruise, it's a city on the sea.
Your cruise fare comprises of your cabin fare plus port handling charges and gratuities, which are commonly known as tips. USD as well as INR are accepted on board, and for USD, rate of exchange of the current date will be applicable. Pregnant ladies as well as infant below 6 months cannot sail on the cruise.
But how safe are you on board? The year 2020 has completely changed the way we travel. Social distancing and the optimal level of hygiene are now crucial than ever. At Cordelia, your safety is priority and is taken care very well by Healthy Waves program. The initiative comprises of strict set of protocols to ensure that the guest can cruise with confidence. Working closely with public health experts, national and international cruise line associations are making it sure that the cruise experience is stress-free. As it is a freestyle cruising, so the dress code is casual. But there are those cruise elegant evenings 1 or 2 nights throughout the voyage, where passengers will have the opportunities to showcase their more elegant attire, so pack accordingly. Accommodations are wheelchair friendly and extra wheelchairs are available on board the ship. Guests should notify cruise ship staff in case of the wheelchair requirement one day prior to sailing. Explore the beauty of Lakshadweep, the charm of Goa and Diu, the aura of Kochi, and the cultural spirit of Chennai on cruise vacation with Cordelia Cruises. Not to forget the international voyage to Sri Lanka and Maldives. True to its name, Cordelia aspires to promote and drive the cruise culture in India through experiences that are stylish, luxurious, and most importantly, inherently Indian. Cordelia is a cruise liner for Indians, catering the way Indians love to holiday.
Cordelia Cruises is best suited for destination weddings, honeymoons, family get-togethers, and even for corporate events. You remember the movie Dil Ko Dhadakne Do? So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, get ready for the perfect staycation awaiting for you. You still might have some questions regarding the cruise experience. Please leave all your questions in the comment box. We will be happy to answer them. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more virtual tours created by Relive Experiences and brought to you by Relive a Travel Shoppy for you to explore this beautiful planet to the fullest. Also, this is Manisha signing off. I am a travel designer and influencer by profession, founder and managing director of Relive a Travel Shoppy, an experiential travel company. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed.